On this video today, I'm going to show you an extremely cheap traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple, and the best part is that you can use it to make money wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything about this method that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. There are a lot of them, so you can search for any CPA marketing network that you know and then join. In this case, I'm using CPA Group. CPA Group has a lot of offers and it is available worldwide, so you can search for CPA Group and then create your free accounts. Once you create your free accounts, you can find offers to promote. If you are using CPA Group, once you create your accounts, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, select my offers. Once you click on my offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to select an offer to promote. There are many offers that you can select. Any offer that you want, you can click on it to promote. There are a lot of them. You can see a whole lot of them. So what I usually do is that I look for countries where I can get offers with higher payout, because we are going to be using a paid traffic source. If you promote offers with lower payout, you are not going to be getting a high return on your investment. So what I usually do is that I search for countries where I can get offers with higher payout. CPA offers, they are based in specific countries, so you have to look for a country where you have a traffic source so that you can promote the offers to make money. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting offers in Switzerland. So you have to come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can search for Switzerland. You can see a whole lot of different countries. You can just type Switzerland, just type it. Once you type it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. If you scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to people who live in Switzerland. You can see the first one, you are going to be earning $3.42. You can see $2.39, $10.78, $5.48. So these offers, the payout is much higher than the ones that we saw. So you can see a whole lot of them. This one, for example, you're going to be earning $20.53 per every lead that you get. The best part is that your potential visitors are not required to buy anything. All that they need to do is that they have to submit a pin. Once they submit the pin, they are going to get access to the offer, and you are going to be paid $20.53. There are many of them, so when you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different offers. You are allowed to promote any offer that you want, so you can scroll down and then promote any of the offers that you want. There's another offer right here. You can see $22.58 per every lead that you get. But this offer, the requirement is that your potential visitors are required to enter their credit card details so that they can get access to the offer, and you are going to be paid $22.58. An offer like this, sometimes you will not get people to enter their details for you to make money. So what I usually do is that I promote the pin submit, since it is very easy for our potential visitors to enter their details and then get access to the offer. So I usually promote offers like this. But if you have a targeted traffic source, you can also promote the credit card submit. It does not really matter. What matters is that if you have a targeted traffic source, you can promote an offer like this. Now once you have seen the offers, if you want, you can translate it to English so that you understand what the offers are about. So right click on your screen. Once you right click, select translate to English. Once that is done, you can see the offers has been translated to English. You can see the titles of the offers. So any of them that you want, you can click on it to promote. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. You can see download the best games. Our potential visitors are going to get access to the best games once they enter a pin code, and we are going to be paid $20.53. So you can promote an offer like this. To promote the offer, just click on it. Once you click on it, you can be able to get your affiliate link. Once you click on the offer, you're going to see a page like this. You can see right here, this is your affiliate link. You can see it right here, and you can see they have a lot of different tracking domains that you can select. You can select any of them that you want. Now once you have gotten your affiliate link, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Switzerland to click on this link and then enter the required details for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is admarvin.com. This is one of the cheap traffic sources that you can use to promote your affiliate links, and the best part is that you can target any country that you want in the world. They have a lot of different countries that you can target. So wherever you want, you can place your ad, and you are going to get people who click on it and then take the action for you to make money. To post an ad, click right here, sign up. Once you click on sign up, select advertisers. Once you click on it, you have to enter your full name, email address, enter your password, repeat your password, select your country. Once that is done, you have to select your social media handle. Once that is done, you have to enter your handle name right here and then click right here. How did you hear about us? In this case, you can say social media. Once that is done, you have to click right here. I agree. Once you agree, click on sign up so that you can get access to a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to click right here, campaigns. Once you click on it, you have to select the type of campaign that you want to create. You can create a push campaign, you can create a pop under campaign. Any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to create a push campaign, so click on it. Once you click on it, you have to give a name to your campaign, so you can type games. Once that is done, you have to leave here at a default, start immediately. So you want your campaign to start running immediately it is approved, so just leave it like that. Once that is done, you can see total budget, the total amount of money that you want to spend on your ad. You can enter the total budget right here, so just enter any figure that you want. Once that is done, the daily budget, how much are you willing to spend per day, so you can enter the total amount right here. You can see default cost per click, how much are you willing to pay per every click that you get. You can enter the amount right here. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the minimum CPC, so the lowest amount that you want to pay per every click, the lowest amount, so you can enter it right here. You can see this is the lowest amount that you want to pay per every click, and you can see the maximum, so the maximum that you can pay per click, you can select it right here. If you want, you can click right here, recommended rate card. So once you click on it, you'll be able to see their recommendations. In this case, I'm okay with the figures. I don't want to click on recommended rate card. It is okay. Once that is done, how would you like to spend your daily budget? Evenly. Evenly means you want your ad to run throughout the day as soon as possible. If you select this option, it means you want them to spend your money at any time that they want. But in this case, I want my ad to run the whole day, so select evenly. Now once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see push traffic type, you can see web push, floating push. Any of them that you don't want, you can switch it off. But in this case, I want all of them. You can see the rest. So any of them that you don't want, you can switch it off. But in this case, I want all of them, so switch it on. Once that is done, you can see daily clicks. How many clicks do you want per day? I'm going to leave it at default. Conversing per day, I'm going to leave it at default. Once that is done, you can see clicks per IP. How many times do you want a potential visitor to click on your link? I'm going to leave it 1, just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see impression per IP. How many times do you want a potential visitor to see your ad per day? You can enter a figure here, or you can leave it at default. In this case, I want to select 3. Once that is done, you have to click on next. Once you click on next, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the location. You have to select the country where the offer is allowed. In this case, the offer is allowed in Switzerland, so search for Switzerland. Just search for Switzerland. Once you search for it, you can see Western Europe, you can see US and Canada. So let's click on Western Europe. Once you click on it, you have to select Switzerland. You can see it right here. Once that is done, click right here and then select yes. As you can see, that has been done. It has been selected. Now once it has been selected, the time targeting, you can select the time that you want your ad to run and the time that you don't want your ad to run. So if you don't want your ad to run on Tuesday at 1 o'clock, you can click right here to deselect it. But in this case, I want my ad to run throughout the day. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select the language. You have to search for German because the offer is in German. So search for German, search for German. You can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, click right here and then select yes. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see operating system. You have to select the device operating system. In this case, it is allowed on desktop, so you can leave it like this. Once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, select yes. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see device type. What you have to do is that you have to deselect all of them and then select desktop because the offer is allowed on desktop. So select desktop, click right here, yes. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see device brand. Select all of them because there is no restriction. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see browsers. Select all of them. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. You can see connecting type any, just leave it like this. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select the careers. In this case, you have to type Switzerland, so search for Switzerland. You can see it right here. Click right here. Yes, as you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down and then click on next. Once you click on next, you can see if you want to blacklist anything, you can do that. Whitelist anything, you can do that. But in this case, we are not going to blacklist anything, we are not going to whitelist anything, so just leave it and then click on next. Once you click on next, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to give a title to your ad, a description, and then the destination URL. Once that is done, you have to upload your images. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA group. Once you come back on CPA group, you have to translate the text back to German so that the people can understand. So come right here, click on this icon. Once you click on it, select detected language. Once you select detected language, you can see everything has been translated. You have to highlight everything and then copy it. Once you highlight everything and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to copy and paste the description right here. So you have to come back on CPA group, highlight and copy the description of the offer. Once you highlight and copy it, come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to copy your affiliate link. So click right here, copy affiliate link. Once you copy it, you're going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to upload the images. To upload the images, you have to come back on CPA group, right click on the offer image, select save image as. Once that is done, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the image, you have to come back, click on upload main image. Once that is done, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. Click right here, add. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to upload the icon image, so you can upload the same image. Click on upload icon image. Once that is done, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. You can deselect some of these images, you can deselect them. Once you click on it, you can see the image has been uploaded. The next step is that you have to submit your ad, so click right here, submit ad. Once you click on submit, click right here, finish. As you can see right here, your ad has been submitted. You can see it right here, it is active. Now what you have to do is that you have to deposit money into your accounts. To deposit money, click on add funds. Once you click on add funds, what you have to do is that you have to enter the amount right here and then select your payment method. Let's say $50, so enter $50. Once you enter the $50, you can select your payment method. You can see different payment methods. Select the one that you can use. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. Once you select your payment method, the next step is that you have to click right here, submit. Once you click on it, you can proceed and make your payment so that they can spend it on your ad for you to get people who live in Switzerland to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that you can be paid. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.